Court does call the case of the people versus DeLorean Doral.
Good morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sam Bernstein with and on behalf of Mr. Durrell, coming up to the podium. DeLorean, can you please state your name for the court?
DeLorean Doral. Thank you.
This is the date and time set for preliminary examination on this matter. As we discussed at the event, people are requesting an adjournment. I believe that there's no objection. Defense counsel, for the record, we are able to proceed today.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. This case will be adjourned. And it will be adjourned to September 30th, 2025, 12 noon before me.
Got it. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Where is he? Mr. Bernstein, if you see Mr. Johnson out in the hallway, can you tell him his client's coming out?
Yes.
Where is he?
He's right there.
He's on a Zoom, Your Honor.
Is he?
You respectfully request.
Okay, well,
I'll switch up.
yeah, tell him.
So I'm just trying to get a sense of. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Miss Valdez.
Very good.
It's the only time it's gonna happen today.
All right. Well, I don't have anything in front of you today, so that'll work.
It's because I was concentrating.
Yes, yes, I understand. Me too.
One case, poof, dismissed. That's a big win for the defense. But don't forget, 3 other cases are still alive and headed to circuit court. Classic courtroom whiplash. Relief followed by reality check.
Ask me which one is the dismissal. Ron Brown is on one side. And I don't know who's on the other side.
Well,
Who's that is?
but they're in custody.
Mhm.
They have one. Court calls the case of the people versus Baraj Scott, all 4 cases.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Scott. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. Your name?
Oh, Barazante Scott, Mr. Judge Simpson, sir.
Did you get new glasses?
Yeah, I did. I can't see.
Can you see now?
Yeah, I can see. now.
Okay, that's gonna be, okay. All right, what are we doing?
Today, the people are not able to proceed on case 25F20276. Would ask that any dismissal be without prejudice. I believe that Mr. Scott is waiting on.
That's correct, Your Honor. I'm having him sign the examination waiver forms for the other 3 matters on the docket.
All right, and with reference to 3276, people moving to dismiss Mr. Brown.
Move to dismiss, Your Honor.
In that case is dismissed on defendant's motion. And then in the other matters, he wait.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Scott, you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination in these other 3 matters?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that a preliminary examination is a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offenses alleged were committed and that you committed them.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you'll not have that hearing and you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution.
Yes, Your Honor.
People also waive their right. Preliminary examination having been waived, defendant is bound over to circuit court on the 3 counts contained in the case ending in 1263. The 2 counts in case 1265 and the single count in the other matter ending in 0532.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Scott waive reading of the charges, stand mute and request adjourn pretrials in front of Judge Slade.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea as to all counts. Pretrial in these matters will be set
September 25th at 1:30 with Judge Slay.
September 25th, 2025, 1:30 before Judge Slay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bonded. Raj, take care of yourself.
You too, sir. Thank you. All y'all take care of yourself.
Doesn't seem to be one. Hang on one moment. What was the pre-trial date?
It was September.
25th. You can approve. Yes.
I don't want to make expert.
Yeah.
Bound over to circuit court. Translation: the judge thinks there's enough here for the big leagues. District court is just a warm-up. Circuit court is where the real fight begins. Would you roll the dice at prelim or skip straight to trial court?
It's like, where is Towson? Court calls the case of the People versus Cody Wines.
Morning, Your Honor, Raymond Cook, people.
Oh,
Good morning.
good morning, Miss Bernie. It's like, what day is this? She's here?
I know.
I know, I see you and Miss Payne. I'm like,
It's like a time
it's
war.
like it's a Monday or something.
I don't think I put in my parents. Lauren Parenting on behalf of Mr. Wine. State your name for the record, please. Mr. Wines.
Michael Wines.
Your Honor, this is the date and time set for preliminary examination. At this time, the people are unable to proceed.
Move to dismiss.
People being unable to proceed. This case is just, that's on defendant's motion. Thank you, sir. What? What? I can't hear you.
That's all I have ready for you at the moment.
Wow, so loud.
I believe it's fair to you, but I don't have his docket.
What?
I don't.
Where's Akinruli?
It was Alex's turn to.
He messed it up the last time. Who was what?
Oh, I don't know where she is now, Your Honor. Sorry. But I'm very eager to tell you, I was the one who found her last time. And
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
See, I knew, and you should have taken credit for it.
I'm very arrogant.
Where,
I'll try to find her again, work my magic.
thank you, Miss Pate.
But whoa.
Ha! See, that's how it's done, Warren Green. Warren Green goes out, disappears for 5-10 minutes, comes back, nothing. Pate just thinks about it, and I can really appears. She's probably a hologram, but that's okay. Is this it? Court does call the case, People versus Candace Fair.
Alan Judge on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor, Assistant Public Defender Tanazi Carey Akinruli on behalf of Ms. Candace Fair, who's approaching. Ms. Fair, state your name for the record, please.
Hello, Candace Fair.
Thank you.
Your Honor, please date and time set for preliminary examination. At this time, people are unable to proceed as to count one. I would ask that count two be remanded to district court.
Another dismissal because the prosecution wasn't ready. Important note, when charges get tossed without prejudice, they can come back, so don't celebrate too hard. This might just be round one.
So the court will, people being unable to proceed You're moving to dismiss count one.
Yes, Your Honor.
Count one is dismissed. I'll continue a not guilty plea as to count two. This will be set for pretrial
October 16th at 10 a.m. with Judge Washington.
October 16th, 2025, 10 a.m. before Judge Washington.
Thank you.
Judge, do you know if that's by Zoom or in person?
How am I supposed really? How am I supposed to know that, Ms.?
We were almost out of here. I'm sorry,
How,
Judge. We
do
were,
you want us to find out?
no, Your Honor, we
Ms.
will
Fair, did you want
call.
me to find, I'll find out.
My boss is already, I have to go back to work.
We will call and find out all the information we need for the hearing, Judge. Thank you.
Do you have another case?
I've got 3 in front of you today, Your Honor.
Oh, joy. Thank you, Ms. Fair.
Thank you.
Have a good one, sir.
Do you know if that's, I have no idea. Court does call the case of the people versus Vincent Lambert.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond for the people.
Brian Bowling on behalf of Mr. Lambert, Your Honor. Please approach.
Vincent Lambert.
This is the date and time set for preliminary examination. At this time, the people are unable to proceed.
I would move to dismiss then, Your Honor.
People being unable to proceed, this case is dismissed on the motion of the defendant. That's without prejudice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you.
He's back.
No, they're witnessing on the second room, other one. Would you? I talked to them. I don't. think
This is a comp review. Does call the case of the people versus Montel Gatton.
And Assistant Public Defender Chinazi Carey, I can rule Your Honor on behalf of Mr. Gatlin, who's approaching.
Count 1, gone. Count 2, still standing. That's the courtroom version of winning a round but still staying in the fight. Which would rattle you more? Losing half your charges or keeping just one that could still wreck your record?
Could have done this before he came out. Okay, no, I didn't mind waiting.
Mr. Gatlin, state your name for the record, please.
Montel Gatlin.
Thank you, sir.
So, Your Honor, we are here today for a competency review. I have spoken with the doctor at the Forensic Center. He states that the report will be done by the end of this week.
That it will be done by the end of this week.
That's what he said, yes.
Okay, then what I will do is I'll adjourn the comp hearing, no report, to September 30th, 2025 at 9 a.m.
Okay, Your Honor.
I'm putting it with my PCC docket at 9.
What date,
Pardon?
I didn't hear the date, Your Honor. I
You
apologize.
didn't what?
I didn't hear the date that you gave us.
Did I? Was I loud? Or was she not listening? Which do you think it is?
I wasn't paying
Because
attention. I don't
Mr.
know.
Johnson heard the date. Everybody heard the date but you.
I apologize.
Why is that?
I was multitasking, but I wasn't doing very well.
September 30th,
Thank you, Judge.
2025, 9 a.m.
Your Honor, my client would like for me to address bond, please.
Go ahead.
Judge, Mr. Gatlin reports that he has an address where he will be living with his aunt. He states that he has a job waiting for him with Root Plumbing Company, where he will be able to make very good money. He states that he previously requested that my office be removed from his case. He's trying to see if he can raise money to pay a private attorney to handle his matter for him. I think in the meantime, I will reach out to the Office of Assigned Counsel and see if we can get him someone temporarily. However, he wants the court to understand that he is okay with a tether of any sort that the court deems necessary to allow him at least to get out and start working. We know that competency is at issue, but I think that a tether would be able to cover any issues that the court or the people may have in regards to complaining witnesses and safety as well as flight risks, Judge.
Respond.
Your Honor, we ask that there not be a change in bond. Given what the allegations are here, we don't think that a tether by itself would be sufficient. With the fleeing case, we have Mr. Gatlin allegedly fleeing from multiple officers, and officers trying to pull someone over isn't sufficient to make them stop. And I don't know why a tether is something that would make somebody stay at home. Here we have the allegation that he fled at such high speed that he crashed his car and then he fled on foot. And that he had 2 children in the car. He left. Police found money near the car. And so it will be that it's not high flight risk and danger. So we're asking that by much.
The court's going to deny the request to change the defendant's bond. In this case, the court would find, given those circumstances, at least as alleged, that the defendant would pose a risk of flight, and also that he poses a danger to the community by leaving the children at the location that he did. So his bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
This isn't about guilt. It's about whether the defendant understands what's happening. If you can't aid in your own defense, the case can't move forward. Should trials ever proceed if competency is uncertain?
Court does call the case of the People versus Rashad Keys.
Morning, I'm Raymond Cook for the people.
Good morning, man. Please, this honorable court, Kareem Johnson, on behalf of Mr. Keys, approaching to my immediate right.
Your name, sir?
Shah Keys.
All right.
This is the date and time set for preliminary examination. People are requesting an adjournment for reasons discussed at the bench. We've spoken with defense counsel. My understanding is there's no objection to brief adjournment.
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right. Preliminary examination along with his co-defendant during this to September 30th, 2025 at 12 noon. And bond will continue as denied. All right. Thank you.
Oh, sorry. All right, everybody have a good day.
You do the same, sir.
Currently ready and willing, but I do have 2 in custody that have indicated that they are holding. Both with 2 witnesses.
Which ones are those?
So I've got Mr. Cook and Mr. Wood on basketball. And then I've got Mr. Cook and Ms. Pate on
Cooking pain.
So.
We have what's happening. I mean, I don't mind going ahead and doing that. I'm going to take a
So-
brief break, but
Yeah, so I haven't. Foster Tucker on this one. That affects what happens before in green.
that what?
There's a P and a private account, but private user. So I don't know yet, because I haven't had, see, this Foster Tucker.
Got it.
Kilowall is running So I don't know on those.
Okay.
And then Ms. Douglas and Mr. Overwater are on Mr. Betty, and I don't know what's happening with them. That's
Got
what
it.
I'm talking about.
Okay. So I'm gonna take a brief break, but which one did you want as between Bastable and Skinner to go first?
I would request Skinner Basketball. My OIC is on her way. We thought we had a resolution, but she's coming back now.
You're on both.
Yes,
And so you want, which one first?
Skinner, please.
Skinner? Okay. Going to take a very brief break and then I'll come back. We'll call Skinner and then Bastable once I get her course and racing. All right.
Maybe see.